Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to reverse your video on Capcut. So if you want to reverse any video on Capcut, what you have to do first, I am going to import a video from my desktop. So I'm going to import this video. Okay, now I'm going to import it and then I'm going to add to the track. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reverse it. So what to do, you will see like this video is like this. Okay, now I'm going to reverse this video. So what to do, here you will see options, many options, but you have to just, you will see this option. Now you have to just select this and click on reverse. Okay, now you will see reversing clip. Okay, now you will see this video. So like this you can reverse any video in CapCut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.